Well, hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I want to take you on an incredible road in the Black Hills of South Dakota. And it doesn't matter if you're in a car, truck, or a motorcycle. If you make it to the Black Hills, be sure to check out this road. It's called the Iron Mountain Road. And if you're new here, and if you enjoy our content, we hope you'll smash the subscribe button. But for now, let's get to the video on the Iron Mountain Road. In this video, we're riding one of the wildest roads in South Dakota. For this is the Iron Mountain Road. It's not built for speed, but for wonder. It's 17 miles long, has 314 curves, 14 switchbacks, 3 pigtails, 3 tunnels, 2 splits, and 4 presidents. And every curve and every climb was carved to make you go slow and see what most people miss. We're approaching the first of 3 pigtail bridges. They literally twist you back over your own tracks, carrying you higher into the Black Hills. And now the second pigtail. And you'll want to take your time around these because they can be unforgiving if you don't show them proper respect. And now we're approaching one of the 14 switchbacks that we'll ride today. Now the first tunnel, cut through solid rock. After a short wait, it's our turn. And today we're riding this road in reverse, but coming from the south, you can actually see Mount Rushmore through the tunnels. We may not see them today, but this is still a magnificent ride. And then the first of 2 splits. Riding through here, you can hear the echo of the engine bouncing off the trees. Now the third pigtail. And then the second tunnel. Iron Mountain Road, it's not the fastest way through the Black Hills, but it's one you'll never forget. Hey, I think we'll let you guys hop off here, but we still have a lot more riding to do out here in the Black Hills. But we appreciate you joining us for this video. Hope to see you in the next one. Until then, be well and stay safe.